In this video, you'll learn how to integrate OneDrive with Notion using Zapier. By following these steps, you will be able to streamline your workflow and enhance your productivity by connecting these two powerful tools. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Notion website. Ensure that you are at the main page of Notion, which features a clean interface, allowing you to create and manage your notes and databases. If you are not signed in, you will need to enter your credentials to access your workspace. Next, open a new tab in your browser to prepare for the next step. This will allow you to switch between Notion and Zapier seamlessly. You can do this by using the keyboard shortcut, which is usually Control+T on Windows or Command+T on Mac. Now, go to the Zapier website by entering Zapier.com in the address bar of the new tab. You will arrive at the Zapier homepage, which showcases various automation tools. If you're not logged in, proceed to sign in with your account details to access your dashboard. Once you are signed into Zapier, locate the Create button, which is typically found at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this button will direct you to a new page where you can start creating an automation or Zap. It is important to confirm that you are on the correct screen before proceeding. After that, click on the Zaps option in the main navigation menu. This will take you to a section where you can view and manage all your existing Zaps. Here, you can easily check for any previous automations you may have set up. Type Notion to Outlook in the search bar on the Zapier dashboard. This will help you find the relevant integration template. Once you see the suggested options, select the one that matches your needs. This action helps streamline the process of connecting OneDrive and Notion. Next, click on the Start Building button that appears. This will take you to the Zap editor where you will set up the details of your integration. Be patient as the interface may take a moment to load depending on your internet speed. As the page loads, you may see a message indicating that the AI is generating your setup. Wait for this process to complete, as it is necessary for the next steps to function properly. This is a normal part of setting up your integration. Now, click on the Notion option presented on the screen. This will prompt you to select the trigger event for your integration. Ensure you're on the correct page before proceeding. Select trigger event from the options available. This allows you to specify what action in Notion will initiate the automation. After making your selection, confirm that you are ready to move forward. Then, choose New Data Source Item from the available options. This selection will dictate the specific event that will trigger the Zap. Make sure to review your choices to ensure they align with your intended workflow. Proceed to click on the Account section. This is where you will link your Notion account to Zapier, enabling the integration. If prompted, follow the instructions to authenticate your Notion account. Next, click on the Connect Notion button. This is an important step as it establishes the link between both applications. Ensure that you have the necessary permissions set up in your Notion account for a seamless connection. Following that, locate and click on the Microsoft Outlook option. This will allow you to set up the action that will occur in Outlook as a result of the trigger from Notion. Then select the Action Event option. This section will define what action will happen in Outlook when a trigger occurs in Notion. Review your choices carefully to ensure they meet your needs. Now, choose Send Email as the action event. This will enable you to automate email notifications based on activities in Notion. Next, select Add Attendees to Calendar Event from the action options. This feature allows you to automatically include participants in calendar events created from Notion tasks and notes. Click on the Account section once more to set up the connection with Microsoft Outlook. This step is crucial to ensure that your Outlook account is linked correctly. Finally, click on the Connect Microsoft Outlook button. This will complete the integration process, allowing you to utilize both applications in tandem effectively. Make sure to verify all connections and settings before concluding the setup. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.